You, yes, you. I'm about to bring you into something really cool, something that could change your life forever for the better. All I ask is for you to keep your eyes glued to this video and turn off all distractions, because this video is either going to put $15,000 in your bank account by the end of this month on autopilot, or you're going to continue to live your miserable life. Are you ready? Good. In case you think this is one of those hyped up videos of actors driving a Ferrari trying to sell you a $47 course, I just want to be upfront and tell you that this is none of that. In fact, there's nothing to buy here. I don't want your money. So put away your credit cards and PayPal because you won't be needing them here. My name is Kevin Myhill, and I don't want to waste your time bragging about my sports cars and the mansion that I have in the hills of Hollywood, but let me just let my bank accounts do the talking. Take a look at this. This is just one of my bank accounts. Over $340,000 just sitting in my checking account waiting to be spent. Here's another one, just shy of $200,000 in cash. I'm also an investor in multiple nightclubs and properties all over the United States. If you love nightlife in the US, you've probably been to one of mine. Anyway, I got to where I am today in only a couple of years. When I discovered the internet and the possibility of making millions of dollars from it, it changed my life. You see, before I started doing this, I was a struggling Wall Street trader. And when Lehman Brothers disappeared, all of my money disappeared too. My best friend, Jack, he suffered the same fate. He went homeless for a while before going back to Michigan to live with his single mom. It was tough times for both of us. A year after the crisis, Jack moved to San Diego and he asked me out to lunch. He then told me that he found a method to profit from the crisis. And being from software engineering background, he developed a software that calculates and analyzes trades from all over the world and helps him make easy profits. All he needs to do is just turn it on and it'll start trading once or twice per day, and it starts making money by itself. That's it. I was skeptical, of course, like any other broke person, but he gave me a free access to the software just as I would to you. I fired up the software, put in my last $200 from my savings account, and prayed for the best. I remember going to Monster.com on my computer after starting the auto trading system, just looking for a job. Now, while I was browsing around some janitorial jobs, the software made some weird ping noises. Turns out my first trade of $100 had made a profit of $84. It's not too bad for doing nothing but firing up the software. As the day goes on, the software started pulling up more and more profitable trades, and on my first day I made over $560 in net profits. That's $3,920 per week, $15,680 per month, but there's a catch. Since this software runs on a single server, we can't allow more than 100 people to use this software, as it will definitely crash our servers. We cannot allow this to happen, obviously, because we need to keep our servers up to make sure our users and ourselves are continuously making trades and making money. So go ahead and enter your email below to get started now. You'll be redirected to a page with instructions on how to use the software, and there's no payment needed. Like I promised, this is completely free, and if you like it, continue using it. If not, that's okay. Remember, we're only opening up 100 spots during this opening, and we'll only open up these spots twice a year, so don't miss out on this opportunity. Hundreds of people have taken actions and have seen success. So don't delay success any longer. Enter your email below to get started now.